Oh my god, I'd ult out. I thought Volley was gonna go in there. As soon as he didn't, I was like, fuck that, I'm out. Okay. Alright. I have a great suspicion that this guy's not gonna help me. If I look for a gank. I really don't get how this game went so bad. I mean, I guess Mel's pretty OP.
The mist is my great, unending sadness.
Oh, that cannot be right. Holy shit. Wonka S. I saw my HP in like 2 seconds. Oh! Well, that sucked. That could not be good. I wasn't really trying to argue. Sorry if trash was a triggering word. It was definitely a hyperbole. Well, no, my point wasn't to argue. It was just to point out that there's no shot that you're actually utilizing the build properly, and there's no shot that you've actually tried out and tested the build properly if you think that it's bad. If you think Voltaic first item on Red Cane is bad, I really, really, really question the validity of anything that you're itemizing. That was kind of my entire point. GG's. Well, I don't know how this game was a loss, but unfortunate. Jesus. Well, that's not good. Deer's busted, man. Holy shit. Disturbing.